Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this video session, I'm going to explain question number 8, and this question number 8 is belongs to 0478 paper 22 variant February and March 2024. In question number 8, this flowchart represents an algorithm to find the average size of group of visitor to an attraction. What you will do, you can complete the trace table using this data. I'm showing you all the working step by step. First of all, we will start from the start symbol. Then number of groups and total will get 0. I will put 0, 0 in respective places. Mean number of group 0 and total also 0. Then input group size. Now I have input group size 7 because they have given 7 in a trace table. Next one is it will check the condition, is group size equal to 0. This condition will false. In case of false, it will go to no direction. Then it will move number groups will be incremented by 1 and it will get the resultant value is 1. Then total equal to total plus group size, and now total plus group size. Total already contains 0 and group size is 7. 0 plus 7, it will give you 7. Then it will move to the next input, and next input has given 10, and then it will move to the condition. It will check that 10 is equivalent to 0. No. In case of no, it will move to number groups plus 1, and it will become 2. Then it will count the total. It will calculate the total plus group size, and value of total is 7 plus 10. That will become 17, and next input size, group size will become 2. That will be the third input, and then it will check 2 equal to 0. Condition is false. In case of false, it will move to the next statement, that is number group equal to number group plus 1, and in this case it will become 3. Then it will calculate the total plus group size. Last time in previously total contains 17 plus 2, it will become the 19. Now total will get 19. After this, it will move to again input group size. Now group size is 8. That is the fourth value in the trace table. Is group size equal to 0? No. In case of no, it will calculate the number of groups. That will become 4. And next statement is total equal to total plus group size. Total contains the value 19 and group size is 8. It will give you 27, and next input group size is 3. That is the fifth input. Then 3 is equal to 0. That will be false, and in case of false, it will calculate number group plus 1. It will become 5. Number of groups, it will become 5, and then it will calculate the total. 27 plus 3 will become 30, and next input group is 9, and it will check 9 is equivalent to 0. That will be false, and then number groups will be calculated as 6. Then total will calculate it as 30 plus 9, 39, and next input group size is 0. And then is group size equal to 0? Yes, it will be true because 0 equal to 0. In case of yes, it will move to the right side, that is average equal to diff of total divided by number of groups. Mean total contains the value 39 and number of groups contains the 6. It will give you 6 point something. Because of integer, it will ignore the floating point value, and then it will reach to the 6. Then average, it will shows the average will become 6, and output it shows the average group size 6, and then it will stop the program. This is, I have written the program. Suppose this value has given in the trace table, I have represented in form of a data. Total is equal to 0, number of groups equal to 0, then it will use the header, group, total and group size, and then I have used the while loop true because it will move until group size equal to 0. If group size equal to 0, it will be break. After the while, then it will get the value one by one from the data. These are first they will get 7, will store into group. Number of groups, if this will be true, it will represent number groups, total and group size, and if group size equal to 0, then it will calculate the average value. Total double slash will shows that this will return integer value, and else number of groups plus equal to 1, total equal to total plus total equal to total plus group size. Okay, when you will run this program, it will shows the output like this. Okay, this is the output of my program, and it will show just like a trace table. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel, and if you have any question, you can ask me in comment. I have given my email ID. You can follow that email ID, and if you want to ask any question, you can ask me. Thank you. Jazakallah khair.